And good evening. Thanks for being with us.
We begin with breaking news. There is a verdict in the trial of Geauga's child.
Isabel Lawrence joins us now live from Chardon outside the courtroom. Isabel, good evening.
Good evening, Russ and Laura. After about 5.5 hours of deliberations today, the jury within the past hour here has just read their verdict. And I was in the courtroom the moment it happened. Here's when the judge found the verdict.
On count one, charging aggravated murder, the jury finds the defendant not guilty. On count two, the charge of murder, the defendant finds the defendant guilty.
You heard it there, guilty of murder, not guilty of aggravated murder. And I do want to differentiate the two for you here. I know this can be a bit confusing. Aggravated murder must show prior calculation and design. The jury decided that was not the case here. Some background for you again. This case has been looked at since March 25th, 1993, when a baby boy was found in a trash bag along Sidley Road. Then in 2019, an arrest came. Gail Eastwood-Ritchey, the connection made through familial DNA. Now, ever since then, this case has been in trial here. And when the verdict was read, the defense for Eastwood-Ritchey there, I could hear them. I was sitting right behind them, and I could audibly hear them whispering that they were shocked. In fact, I caught up with them just after the verdict was read on the steps of this courthouse. Here's what they had to say.
I felt that the state, frankly, did not have enough evidence to meet their burden of proof, and I'm shocked and surprised.
Now, after this, Eastwood-Ritchey was put in handcuffs and taken back into custody. Now, the judge did say that he feels that justice here has been delayed long enough when asked about a bond. And so as a result, the judge went ahead and revoked that bond. Again, this verdict coming after over 2 decades looking into this case just moments ago here in Chardon.
Okay, very much. Thank you, Isabel, very much for doing that report for us. Of course, that verdict, as you said, coming down just moments ago. In fact, about 5:29 this afternoon. We'll have more on this, of course, that it's 7 and 11. Once again, Isabel, thank you.